For today's word study lesson, you will need your reader's notebook, a pencil, and a partner. Earlier today, we talked about commonly misspelled words that you see on a day-to-day basis. So today, you're going to be working with a partner on spelling those certain words. So, like I said, you will need a partner and your reader's notebook. You and your partner will find a spot in the room and practice spelling these words together. Your partner will read the words to you first, one at a time, and you will try your best to spell them in your reader's notebook. After you are done spelling all of the words, your partner will show you how the word is actually spelled. If you got the word right, put a check mark next to it. Nice job. If you got the word wrong, write the way it is correctly spelled next to it. Once you have taken your turn, you will then switch roles with your partner and do the same thing. When you're all done, make sure you show your work to your teacher.